She make the people say yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Shay Marie Louise, and I'm back with the step-by-step makeup tutorial featuring the Grippy Primer and Lumi-Matte Foundation by Maybelline. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching.
What you asking for?
And that's the way I like it. 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 That's the way I like it.
So for starters, I'm just doing a little skin prep. I had already washed and cleansed my face. And right here, I'm just using the Collagen and Peel Pads by Mediheal and the Hydration Multiplier and Peptide Plump Collagen Cushion Cream by Stravectin. Gotta keep my face hydrated.
Somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain. We can change the last name. What's happening? Cause you look so good. Tell me why you wanna work here.
So right here, I'm just prepping and setting my brows with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade 30, medium deep. And I'm just brushing them up a little bit. And this pencil I'm using is a pencil I got from the beauty supply store for 99 cents. It's actually an eyeliner pencil. And the shade is black brown. And right here, I'm just stenciling out my brows. And then I'm going to fill them in and carve them out.
No, and you don't understand. She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She hit the main stage. She made the people say yeah, 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 yeah. I can put you in the condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in the Murcielago. I put you in the beach house.
Okay, so right here, I'm just cleaning up my brows with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the matte one, in the shade Deep Cinnamon, and the Lumi-Matte Foundation by Maybelline in the shade Coconut 355.
Baby, I bought you in the back cause you need a little persuasion. Plus you need a little ventilation. Let's talk about you, yeah, me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, man. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, man. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, and you don't understand. She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She hit the main stage. She made the people say yeah.
She make the people say
yeah.
She make the people say yeah. Now I can put you.
So right here, I'm just setting a base for my eyeshadow using that e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. Originally, I was going to do a colorful eyeshadow look, but since this look is based on the foundation and primer by Maybelline, I just decided to do a basic eyeshadow look.
In like it just me and you and no one else around. It went down on the balcony.
So for my eyes, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Press Powder in the shade NW45 and the Bronzing Duo Kit by Juvia's Place in the shade Dark. And for my eyeliners, I'm using the Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black. And for my waterline, I'm using the Epic Wear Eye Pencil in the shade Pitch Black. And for my lashes, I'm using the Effortless Kit by Velour.
She all on me, man. I think she want me. I can't leave her lonely. She make the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change that last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of King magazine, but you gon' get
So now I'm using the Grippy Primer Serum by Maybelline, and I love this primer. It's very lightweight, it's not too sticky, and it's not heavy. I honestly like it better than a Power Grip primer by e.l.f. because that one is, to me, is too heavy and too sticky for me. So I really like this one better.
ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely, no. And you don't understand, she made the people say yeah.
And for this Lumi-Matte foundation, I love it so much. I get compliments all the time when I wear it. And it's so lightweight, it blends out well, and I just love it.
All the way up in Toronto, baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in Marcielago. I put you in the beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good.
Now I'm just highlighting under my eyes and contouring my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the matte one in Deep Cinnamon, and the Ulta Beauty Foundation Stick in the shade Deep Cool. And I'm just blending everything out. I'm going to go in with a liquid blush by About Face in the shade Front Runner. And then I'm going to go back in and add another concealer for my highlight, just to get my under eyes to be a little bit more brighter. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Almond.
She make the people say yeah.
She make the people say yeah. She make the people say yeah. Yeah. Now I can put you out, and keep running your mouth. And if your brothers come tripping, I'ma show them with these teardrops fall. Shawty, I was just playing, ooh, but I can take it to the grave, man. Island have you screaming, island gonna be making love on the beach. The people see what we doing. Now they pointing, ooh, and oh, but we gon' keep on doing. Yeah, like it just me and you, and no one else around. It went down on the balcony, and the lights out flipping, how sweet. Shorty like I'm out the penthouse sheets. That's why I got her on my penthouse sheets. And
Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me.
She all on me.
I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely.
And I can't
no. I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me.
She on me.
I think she want me.
She want me.
Nah, I can't leave her lonely.
No, I can't leave her.
You don't understand, she made the people say yeah.
She make the people say
yeah.
Make the people say yeah.
Okay, so now that I have everything blended out, I'm just setting my highlight and everything with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade 30, medium deep. And then I'm going to set my contour with the Bronzing Kit by Juvia's Place in the shade Dark.
She make the people say yeah, yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion, somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change that last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I brought you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, man. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it.
So now I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 355 Coconut to bring some color back into my face. And I'm going to be using the Blush Kit by Juvia's Place in the shade Volume 1. And then I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray.
Yeah, I can put you in the condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in the Murcielago. I put you in the beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good, you make me wanna spend it all on you. Get about this club, slide.
So now I'm just highlighting my face with the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter in its shade Rose Shock. And then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe setting spray. And then I'm going to lock and seal everything in with the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist.
Can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, man. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No.
So for my lip combo, I'm using the Perfect Precision eyeliner pencil by LA Girl in the shade Dark Brown, and the Lip Pout lip gloss by Revolution in the shade Clear Glaze. And then I'm going to add the Elf Balm Reviver in the shade Vanilla Toffee, and then I'm going to top that off with the Plump and Pout Lip Gloss by Ulta Beauty in the shade Milkshake.
Have you screaming and howling and be making love on the beach? People see what we doing. Now they pointing, oofing. Oh, but we gon' keep on doing. Yeah, like it just me and you and no one else around. It went down on the balcony and the lights out flipping house sweet. Shorty like I'm out the penthouse sheets. That's why I got her on my penthouse sheets. And
oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me. Man. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely.
And I can't believe it.
And this is the finished look. Hope you all enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
You don't understand, she made the people say yeah.
She make the people say
yeah.